Hi, hello everyone. This is Tani here, and today I'm going to talk on the topic. I'm going to talk on the topic. Actually this week we will be seeing continuous series of actually videos um, on the reference actually Proverbs chapter 6 verse from actually 16 to 19. It says about actually seven things that actually God hates and he actually cannot actually tolerate. Yes, there are certain things that God will hate. Yes, certain things that he cannot actually tolerate at all. There are very, so some of the things are very specifically told here. So on these upcoming 7 days we will be seeing each topic. So we will be discussing on the each we will be discussing on the each as subtopic. Okay, so the first thing, before that, if you have not actually subscribed this channel, please do subscribe and also click that bell icon so that you can get updated of what of all the videos which I post. So okay, yes, first of all, before going into the first topic, why you and I must not do actually what actually God hates. Yes, in this world, we are actually trained to do things that actually God hates. We have been actually trained like it is okay to live however you want. Like we are actually trained in that way, but uh, if you do that it's okay, but if you do that it will stop the blessing of God that Abraham and Isaac, that supernatural blessing that they had. If you want to be blessed in that supernatural way, in all terms, in both spiritually and also physically, yes, both are important. Both the physical blessings are important for the glory of God, and also the spiritual blessings, the upgradation that you have, the deeper revelation that you have in God is also very important. That will help you to actually sustain the blessing that you have, or else you can have huge amount of worldly blessings, but you will not have the ability to actually contain and sustain it. Of course, there are people who are in the world who have that, but the blessing of the Lord actually maketh rich and addeth no sorrow. They will not have this one. If you keenly observe, you can find it out. So yes, let's go to the first topic. So the first thing that is actually said here is that God actually hates and that he cannot tolerate is uh, proud look. Often we do this actually knowingly or unknowingly. We will have a proud look. We will have a in Tamil it is said made to me on a cunt. Yes, we will have this unknowingly most of the times. Yes, we will think that we are greater than actually somebody. I'm greater than him, I'm greater than her, she is not greater than me. We will have that feeling. No one must go upper than me, everyone must be actually below me. So we will have that high eye or something like that. So this proud eye, if you are having this in your life, please make sure that you change yourself, because you are making your God to hate, and he cannot actually tolerate it. That's why he is not allowing certain blessings to enter into your life. You are asking him, why God, why everyone are being actually blessed but not me? That's because you are having that bright eye. I'm not talking that only you are having it. Maybe I also sometimes have it, but what we should do? Yes, most of us we have it sometimes. So how to face it or how to handle it? Just go to the presence of the Lord and confess your sin. Just ask God for forgiveness. Sorry, Lord, what I did was wrong. Uh, uh, what I did was very wrong. Please help me not to do it again. Please give me a humble heart and humble look. I must not think that anyone is like lower than me, even in my heart also. So give me a humble heart, give me a heart of yours. When we sit at his presence and when we ask that, God will surely give you, God will surely give me, God will surely help us with that evil sin. And and may his blessings overflow to you, to your family, to your relations, to everyone around you. May God bless you and keep you as a blessing. May God help you to overcome this sin if you are having this sin in your life. See you in the next video. Please stay tuned, because we are going to see the second thing that is that. Please stay in touch. God bless you and stay safe. See you in the next video. Bye.